We'll do back whip stitch. For the back stitch, use 3 strands of your beach floss. Bring your needle up through the fabric and take it down a short distance ahead. Then bring it back up a bit further along and insert it into the end of your previous stitch. Repeat this process to form a neat back stitch. Remember to keep your stitches evenly spaced, and for curves and edges, use smaller stitches for a smoother look. So once your back stitch is done, we'll move on to the whip stitch. Now we'll secure it just like we do for all other stitches. I am just tying a knot here and snipping off the excess fabric. Then using 3 strands of red floss, bring your needle up from the point where you started the back stitch. Now slide the needle under the first back stitch from the front to back. Don't pierce the fabric, just go under the stitch. Pull your thread through gently and don't tighten it too much. Repeat this for each stitch. Pass your needle under the next back stitch and pull the floss through. Keep wrapping the thread around each stitch. It's super easy and gives a lovely twisted look to your line. So if you reach an edge, simply bring your needle down into the fabric and bring it back up at the new starting point and continue doing the same process till the end. So now we are finished.